In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best fusion splicing machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the fusion splicing machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, SAIVXIAN M9 Precision Fiber Optic Cleaver Splicer. The SAIVXIAN M9 ensures high-precision fiber optic cutting for seamless connections. Designed for reliability, it features fast fusion splicing to minimize downtime. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance, making it ideal for professional use. With a precise cleaving mechanism, it enhances fiber optic installation efficiency. Whether for telecom, data centers, or fiber maintenance, this tool delivers accuracy and consistency. At 53% off, it's an excellent value for precision fiber work. Number 4, AI9 Signal Light Fiber Fusion Splicer. The AI9 Fiber Fusion Splicer is a professional-grade tool with a rapid 5-second splicing time. Equipped with a built-in optical power meter and VFL, it ensures precise fiber alignment. Its real-time arc control and calibration enhance splicing accuracy. The user-friendly interface supports 10 languages, making it accessible worldwide. Durable and efficient, this device is perfect for telecom engineers and fiber optic technicians seeking high-speed and reliable performance. Ideal for seamless fiber network installations. Number 3, M5 Optical Fiber Fusion Splicer with Touchscreen. The M5 Fusion Splicer is designed for precise fiber optic installations with 300x magnification for perfect alignment. Featuring a 4.3-inch touch LCD, it ensures easy operation. The 6-motor core alignment technology guarantees accurate splicing for seamless network connections. Multilingual support, including English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Russian, enhances accessibility. Whether for telecom networks or maintenance, this splicer delivers reliability, speed, and precision. A must-have tool for fiber optic professionals ensuring optimal performance. Number 2, A87S Fiber Optic Fusion Splicer, Full Set. The A87S Fiber Optic Fusion Splicer offers efficiency and portability with its lightweight design. Featuring a built-in LED light for enhanced visibility, it ensures precision even in low-light conditions. The device includes 9 groups of heating modes for versatile splicing functionality. With an impressive 9-second splicing time, it's perfect for quick and efficient fiber network installations. Ideal for field technicians, its reliability, ease of use, and affordability make it a great choice for professionals. Number 1, KomShine EX39 Mini Fiber Fusion Splicer. The KomShine EX39 Mini Fusion Splicer is the best choice for FTTX splicing, offering precision alignment for accurate fiber connections. Designed for portability, its compact size makes it easy to carry and store. A long-lasting battery ensures extended operation without frequent recharging. Built for durability, it withstands various working environments while maintaining high performance. Ideal for fiber optic technicians, this splicer delivers efficiency and reliability, making it a smart investment for seamless fiber network installations.